Merry Christmas! It's Maria. We have another craft for you. Christmas is around the corner. We wanted to show you this low cost, easy to make countdown to Christmas blocks. We thought we would mix it up a little.
Merry Christmas, it's Ellen. Thanks for joining us and welcome to those who are joining us for the first time. We still have more Thanksgiving, so make sure you watch until the end to see our next craft.
Perfect, and if you enjoy making your own adorable crafts on a budget, you've come to the right place.
So don't miss out. Subscribe, ring that bell to be notified.
So let's get started. This video is really self-explanatory. Ellen did a great job putting it all together.
Oh, thanks, Ree. Appreciate it.
You're welcome, sweetie.
It was a lot of fun. It really got me in the spirit of the holidays. It's really sparkly at the beginning, and it just gives you a good feeling. And we want to make sure that everybody knows that all the items used for the craft are listed in the description box below. We hope you enjoy.
So one of the main reasons why I made this craft was because my grandson last year loved the countdown blocks that I had, which if I would have thought of this last year, I totally would have made it because I made it so unique and so special and so full of love. And it was so funny because I would come out one morning and see he had been here like the day before, and I would see there would be like 67 days till Christmas, and I'm thinking, okay, well, that's not true.
Oh my gosh.
I know it's sooner than that. And then I would look at it again, and it'd be like 18 days till Christmas. I'm like, okay, that's more like it. And then I found out that my son Daniel was actually fixing them because he wanted to make sure he actually knew how many days till Christmas. So I thought that was
so
really fun.
Funny. I mean, it's so Daniel. It's like, okay, we need this to be accurate now. Who's saying 67?
You're right.
No, we're closer than that. Come on. That's so fun. Oh my gosh, I love that.
So we have this number diagram for you, and when I looked up, when I first really thought of doing this idea, I thought, well, how am I going to know what numbers to put on there without having to dig through all my Christmas stuff? So I looked it up, and I thought, well, where's the 9? And then I kept reading down, and it said, use the 6 as the 9 and turn it upside down. I thought, oh, that's really clever.
Oh, that is great. It saves
So
space.
it makes all the numbers work. Yeah.
Oh, how funny.
So my grandson's able to put 67 days till Christmas.
Oh my gosh. That is so
Yeah.
great. Oh, this is so cute. I just love it.
I do too. I think it came out really cute. And my dog's barking. Okay.
Hey, Biscuits! Oh my gosh, it's Biscuits' turn, not Sammy. We'll have Sammy in the next one.
You're right.
Oh, how fun. Oh, this
Now,
is
this
so
video is
fun.
really self-explanatory. It just tells you exactly everything I used. And I think it came out awesome. Great job, Ellen.
Oh my gosh. Well, thank you. And like I said, you've done such an awesome job of videoing, and it's just really cheery. I love it.
Cool. Good.
Oh, this is so neat. I wish my guys were little. I think that I would have loved to have done this when they were little.
Yeah.
To make the countdown to Christmas. Instead of looking at the calendars, you know, it's such a great fun activity for them. Oh, I love this part. It's my favorite, the dancing dice. I love it.
So as you guys kind of have guessed, this whole countdown to Christmas has a Santa theme. We put the Santa buckle, and then put the Santa little decal, which I got from the Dollar Tree, which I thought was really cool. And what's really fun is you can put your favorite Christmas card. You can put a new picture every year that you take of Christmas and put it in there, and then that way every year it could be different. So what I want to do for my grandson is I want to put, when I give it to my daughter, I want to put his very first picture with Santa on there.
Oh my gosh.
And so I think that will be fun. But right now I'm just showing you guys of my favorite Christmas card that I got last year, and I thought it was so cute, so I just wanted to put that on there for you guys.
That's where all the sparkles are coming from. It's so sparkly. Oh my gosh. And we want to thank all of our subscribers too, because we really appreciate all of your support.
And I know you guys are going to be thrilled to make your own countdown to Christmas.
Make sure you ring that bell so you'll be notified for the next video that we make. And please share with your friends and family, because we're really enjoying sharing with all of you.
Thanks for stopping by.
Oh, till next time.
Bye.
Bye.